Hello everybody, how y'all doing? I am Candy Rain and welcome to my channel, y'all. So as you know in the description, today we're here to review the Jackie Aina X ABH palette. For those of you who do not know who Jackie Aina is, she's one of the biggest influencers in the makeup community. And when Jackie created this palette, she really wanted to create a palette for brown girls. She felt like there wasn't too many palettes out there for brown girls to just go and get and could actually really wear all the colors or liked all the colors. And so her biggest thing was really creating a palette that just kind of, you know, geared towards brown girls. In which, if you feel like or think how I think, I honestly feel like anybody can pull off anything. I don't think certain colors are for this person or that person. Like, I really love people who love to push the envelope. And I know we all have that friend or family member that say, oh, that doesn't look good on my complexion. And you're thinking to yourself, like, what? That will look so bomb on your skin complexion. Like, what are you talking about? But honestly, I feel like anybody can pull off anything. It's really about how you put it together, or, you know, get it to look right, your confidence level, all of that. But yeah, this palette, Jackie really had the brown girl in mind. She really wanted all the colors to, you know, appeal to a brown girl. And you know what? I think she nailed it, really, because I could see myself using this entire palette. Like, probably the purples I wouldn't be too big on, because I have so many palettes with purple. Like almost every palette I have for some reason has purple in it. So I mean, I really have these two shades of purple in all the palettes. But the rest of these shades, I swear to y'all, I will use every single last one of them. And it's fall time. This is gonna be the perfect palette for fall. So this is the outside packaging. It's just kind of like gator skin, and then it's just like shimmery. All right, and so these are the shades in the palette. All right guys, so stay tuned and see how I created this look. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, y'all, so yeah, enjoy the video. Bye. Alright guys, I've been working on an eyebrow routine. So I did my brows and concealing of my brows off camera, but no worries, hopefully I'll have a tutorial for you all soon. Alright, jumping straight into the palette, I'm going to be using that shade Ginger and the shade Edges, and I'm going to place them in the crease and then buff those shades out towards the eyebrow line. Alright guys, and it's no surprise that these shades are really pigmented. You know, Anastasia Beverly Hills really have some of the best palettes, to me, in my opinion, and they're always so pigmented. I did notice a bit of fallout with this palette, like I do with most ABH palettes, but you know, that doesn't make or break a palette, because most eyeshadow palettes have a bit of fallout. But yeah, the highly pigmented palettes are always a go, so I give it a thumbs up. And for the lid shade, I'm going to go in with the color Sponsored. And as I was placing it on the lid, I had a bit of fallout. And so I decided to just go ahead and take it around the inner corner of the eye and bring it down to the lower lash line. And now I'm going to take the shade Credit and I'm going to place it in the outer V. Alright, I did the same with the other eye, and then I went in with the Vinyl Liquid Liner by NYX. And since I didn't create a cut crease with this eyeshadow look, I decided to go in with a thin layer of eyeliner, and that's just simply to show a bit more of the shade that's on my lid, since I do have hooded eyelids. Right now I'm using the Farsali liquid glass to give myself a dewy look, and I'm using the Farsali Unicorn Essence as my primer. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Dior Backstage foundation, and my shade is 45W. And of course, like always, I'm going in with my Fenty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 320. I'm using the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Okay, I'm going to contour with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit from light to medium. And after I dust off the setting powder, I use that same fluffy brush to just kind of blend my contour in. And now I'm taking that same NYX liner and bringing it down to the lower lash line. Going back into the eyeshadow palette, I'm using the shade Lituation, And I'm going to bring it down to the lower lash line. Okay, and now I'm going to be using my Fenty bronzer and bygan girl, and I'm going to be using it as a blush. For highlighter, I'm using the Tribe Highlighter Volume 2 by Juvia's. And now taking that same highlighter, I'm going to bring it right up to the brow bone. And now I'm using the Faux Mink multi-dimensional lashes from Lily Lashes. And now I'm using the Bad Gal Mascara by Benefit. And for the lips, I'll be using the Barbie collection and the shade Timeless. And y'all, I'm so obsessed with these lipsticks. Look at the shimmer in them. That is so freaking pretty. And also, it smells like cake. And for anyone with a labret piercing knows how annoying it is sometimes to put on lipsticks. Like, I kind of miss just swipe a lipstick on sometimes. Okay, guys, unfortunately, my camera cut off near the end of the video, but I used the Stay Matte Fix and Go setting spray by Rimmel. And that pretty much concludes the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe.